This video shows the demo of the project named TripleThread. As we all know, in this democratic world, tax is the main source of income of the country. A tax is a compulsory contribution of a person or entity to the state, as per the rule. It is spent by the government for the common interest and benefit of the people. Of all the aids government provide to the people, scholarship is the most desirable form of financial aid and have unique benefits. Scholarships do not have to be repaid. One of the important documents required for claiming scholarship is income certificate. This project deals with the deployment of precise technique to provide authentication and ease in the estimation of the tax, generation of income certificate and scholarship notification. Thread basically defines the process. First thread is, using the address details and salary voucher of the individual's income tax is calculated. By extending the first thread, the second process generates the income certificate of the individual. The third one will display the eligible bursary of the individual, thereby everyone can grab the beneficiary without any obstacles. Let's look at the flow of the project. This is a web application, and the user of this application will be the government officials. First and foremost, the officials have to log into the application using their employee ID and password. As they had been logged in successfully, they get a page giving various options like register, sign in, and unusual logout. Before that, we need to know about some important stuffs. The database of this application will be connected to the Azure server, to fetch the details of the individuals. As we all know that the Azure details of an individual includes his, her name, address, bank details, asset details, phone number, etc. The only document we should demand from the individual is their salary voucher with a QR code, which will be provided by the company they work. QR code embarks their Azure number and their salary. As all the citizens have already been registered and given a Azure number, it's beneficial to use all Azure details. Now let's continue with the working. Register. The government officials who are using this application must register all the individuals who have an Azure number to this application. The official have to enter the person's Azure number, and the application automatically fetches details from the Azure server and displays it to the officials. The next step in registration process is that the scanning of salary voucher. Farmers and low-wage employees will be given salary voucher by the officials themselves. This is how registration is done. In this process, you would see a text box saying, password, which contains a 8-digit random number which is for the individual's use, for mobile application. Important thing here to be considered is there is no writing privilege for the officials here. Sign in. This option allows us to peek the information of the registered individuals using their Azure number. After you signed in, you can see options like personal details, tax, income certificate, and bursary notification. Personal details gives the individual's information. Tax gives the details about their net income, payment amount, tax percentage, and also their last date of payment. It also gives a link for the e-payment. Income certificate option shows the soft copy of the income certificate, which is automatically generated. The individuals can print the certificate and get the signature and seal of the government officials for further use. Bursary notification option shows the list of scholarships the registered individual is eligible for. Advantages: a transparency and authenticated way of tax calculation is done. Fraudulence in income certificate generation is avoided. Scholarship notification will create awareness to the people about the scholarships available and they are eligible for.